If you are a VFX artist, I am sure you want your work to be recognized and appreciated by others. But how can you make that happen? How can you ensure that your work catches the eye of employers and clients? Through my own experiences and the valuable insights I have gained from industry experts, I have discovered 6 powerful ways that will help you stand out and get noticed in the competitive world of visual effects. Number 1. Be an expert in the fundamentals of VFX. The key to success in any field starts with building a strong foundation, and in the world of visual effects, it's no different. As you embark on your VFX journey, make sure to leverage a variety of software tools while also pushing the boundaries of your imagination and creativity. To stay one step ahead of the competition, it's crucial to develop a solid understanding of storyboarding, photography, cinematography, and digital design. Stay updated with the latest techniques and software utilized in the ever-evolving field of filmmaking. When working in a professional studio, you'll be expected to have knowledge of match moving and camera tracking, digital designs, clean plate and wire removal, layer-based compositing, as well as set extension and CG integration. Embrace experimentation and be adaptable to working in different environmental setups. Familiarize yourself with essential software such as Mocha, RealFlow, After Effects, Nuke, Fusion, Photoshop, and PF-Track. Remember, mastering these fundamentals and continuously expanding your skill set will significantly enhance your chances of standing out and getting noticed in the competitive world of visual effects. Number 2. Use YouTube to get your VFX work noticed. Did you know that YouTube has a staggering user base of over 2.6 billion people? That's right, it's a platform that reaches 1/3 of all internet users worldwide. Think about it. Hundreds of individuals spend countless hours immersed in the captivating world of videos on this very platform. And as a talented VFX artist, you have the incredible opportunity to leverage YouTube's immense popularity to boost your own fame and recognition. Start by creating your own YouTube channel where you can showcase your exceptional visual effects work. Consistency is key here. Regularly share your creations and watch as your audience grows exponentially. But it doesn't stop there. You need to strategize on how to attract your target audience. Remember, the more people watch and engage with your content, the greater the chances of industry experts and influential figures taking notice of your remarkable skills and talent. Believe it or not, movie producers, studios, and talent acquisition managers are actively scouting YouTube for fresh, promising talent. Number 3. Be aware of the responsibilities of a VFX artist. Typically, VFX work takes place during the post-production stage. However, if you want to thrive and earn respect as a VFX artist, it's crucial to understand the responsibilities that come with the role. First and foremost, be organized in your work and make sure to consistently meet deadlines without fail. Embrace your creativity and strive to come up with new concepts and designs utilizing the latest cutting-edge technologies. It's also valuable to possess some video editing skills to collaborate effectively with the editorial team. Be open to receiving feedback from your supervisors and clients. Their input is invaluable in refining your work and pushing your skills to new heights. Additionally, be willing to contribute to the management of workflows. This may involve working closely with producers, coordinating meetings, and taking an active role in the overall project management process. Your role as a VFX artist extends beyond a single department. Involve yourself in all stages of the production process, from start to final delivery, to excel in your career. Number 4. Create an impressive VFX portfolio. When you are on the lookout for a VFX job, it's important to grab the attention of potential employers. Having your resume and cover letter prepared is essential, but here's the thing. It's not enough to simply blend in. You need to showcase your talent through showreels. When applying for jobs or attending interviews, it's highly recommended to present at least one showreel that highlights your skills and capabilities. By including them in your portfolio, you instantly make it stand out from the crowd. Remember to keep your showreels short, engaging, unique, and informative. Create an updated and relevant reel that showcases the skills specifically mentioned by employers in their job ads or career pages. Number 5. Develop essential non-technical skills. There are several transferable skills that are essential for every successful VFX artist. First and foremost, you must have a strong artistic ability and a deep passion for your work. Additionally, strong communication skills are vital for effective collaboration and conveying your creative vision. Being able to handle criticism gracefully is another crucial skill. Constructive feedback helps you grow as an artist. Alongside this, Problem-solving skills are essential in navigating the challenges that arise in VFX projects. Maintaining a balance between self-belief and a task-oriented focus is important. While it's essential to have confidence in your abilities, remember to prioritize the task at hand rather than being self-centered. Furthermore, adopting a flexible, approachable, and humble attitude is key. Cultivating respectful relationships with mentors and senior professionals can greatly contribute to your growth and learning. Lastly, one of the most crucial non-technical skills for VFX artists is adaptability. As you develop your skills, you must be able to seamlessly collaborate with different teams and adapt to various project requirements. Number 6. Build online and offline professional connections. Utilize social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to build professional relationships within the VFX industry. Connect with fellow artists and professionals who are involved in the field. In today's digital age, networking plays a vital role in getting noticed. Join relevant online groups and consistently share samples of your work. Don't forget to also showcase and promote the work of other VFX artists while maintaining a helpful attitude. It's important to contribute to the community and support others if you expect the same in return. In addition to virtual connection, make an effort to establish real-life connections. Connect with colleagues and anyone else you encounter who shares your interests. Visit studios whenever possible and seek opportunities to connect with crew members and directors. Remember to be respectful, avoid overstepping boundaries and disturbing others. By leveraging both online and offline networks, you'll enhance your chances of getting noticed and opening doors to new opportunities. If you found value in this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Editing Corp YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.